Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Hey, I've been looking at Super-Automatic Espresso Machines, and I'm torn. I saw the Philips 5400 LatteGo B0 CJ9TP31V and the Zulay Magia B0BXT9NQW1. What do you think?
Oh yeah, those are both pretty popular. Let's see. The Philips is a bit cheaper, around $799, while the Zulay is $849.99.
Okay, price is a factor. But what about features?
Well, the Zulay boasts 19 coffee recipes, which is pretty impressive. It does latte, cappuccino, Americano, everything, and it takes both beans and pre-ground coffee. The Philips only mentions 12 delicious fresh bean coffees.
19 is a lot, but is it just quantity over quality?
Good point. The Zulay is fully customizable, letting you adjust strength, volume, temperature, milk, and froth. You can even save 10 user profiles. The Philips has a coffee customizer, but it sounds less in-depth. It does have an extra shot function, though, which is nice.
User profiles are a big plus for me. What about the grinder?
The Zulay has a stainless steel conical burr grinder, which is adjustable. The Philips has ceramic grinders with 12-step adjustment. They both claim durability. Philips says theirs are good for 20,000 cups.
Okay, both seem decent in that department. Cleaning is important too.
The Zulay has an auto-cleaning function, and the drip tray, water tank, and waste bin are dishwasher safe. The Philips highlights its LatteGo system's easy cleaning, just 2 parts, no tubes, and dishwasher safe.
So both are trying to make it easy on us. What about the user experience?
The Zulay has a 7-inch touchscreen, which sounds pretty fancy. It can also brew 2 cups at once. The Philips just mentions an intuitive display.
Touchscreen sounds cool, but reliable. And the Philips mentions an aroma extract system for perfect temperature. Does the Zulay have anything like that?
It doesn't specifically mention temperature control, but it does let you adjust the temperature. The Philips is lighter, around 18.5 pounds, while the Zulay is a hefty 28.6 pounds.
Weight isn't a huge deal. Okay, so Zulay has more recipes, customization, and a touchscreen. Philips is cheaper, lighter, and maybe focuses more on temperature precision.
Exactly. And look at the customer ratings. The Philips has a 4.1, while the Zulay has a 3.4. That might be worth considering.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.